To send money from Pakistan to Italy, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both countries, such as Western Union, MoneyGram, or Xoom. These services have a wide network of agents and online platforms that make it easy to send and receive money. Next, you will need to gather the necessary information and documents, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in Italy. You will also need to provide your own identification, such as a passport or national ID card, and proof of address. Once you have all the required information, you can proceed to send the money. You can do this online or in person at a local agent location. If you choose to send the money online, you will need to create an account with the money transfer service and follow the prompts to enter the recipient's information and the amount you want to send. If you prefer to send the money in person, you can visit a local agent location and provide the required information and documents to the agent. The agent will then assist you in sending the money. After the money has been sent, the recipient will receive a confirmation and can collect the money from a local agent location or have it deposited directly into their bank account. The time it takes for the money to arrive in Italy will depend on the money transfer service and the method of transfer, but it is usually within a few minutes or hours. It is also important to note that there may be fees associated with sending money from Pakistan to Italy, such as transfer fees and exchange rate fees. You should check with the money transfer service to understand the fees and exchange rates before sending the money. In addition to using money transfer services, you can also send money from Pakistan to Italy through banks. This method may take longer and involve more paperwork, but it can be a secure and reliable way to send larger amounts of money. Overall, sending money from Pakistan to Italy is a relatively straightforward process that can be done online or in person. By following these steps and choosing a reputable money transfer service, you can ensure that your money is sent quickly and securely.